Serious matters about malicious mischief. It's been 2 years since my brother destroyed my house. How can I hold them accountable? Even though 2 years have passed, you might still have options to hold your brother accountable for destroying your house, though it will be more challenging. Here's a breakdown of what you can do, keeping in mind the time elapsed. 1. Review all documentation. Police report. Locate the original police report filed at the time of the incident. This is crucial evidence. If you don't have a copy, request one from the police station. Insurance records. Gather any documentation related to insurance claims, even if the claim was denied or not pursued. Property deeds, titles. Confirm your ownership of the property at the time of the destruction. Photos, videos. Any photos or videos taken immediately after the damage are invaluable. Witness statements. If any witnesses saw or heard anything, try to contact them and see if they are willing to provide a statement, even after this time. Correspondence. Any emails, texts, or letters exchanged with your brother or anyone else related to the incident could be relevant. 2. Consult with a lawyer immediately. This is the most critical step. Statutes of limitations exist for legal action, meaning there's a time limit within which you can file a lawsuit. These time limits vary depending on the jurisdiction and the type of legal claim, e.g., property damage, trespass. A lawyer can tell you what the statute of limitations is in your area. This is the most urgent question. What type of legal claim you can pursue? Options might include property damage, trespass, or potentially even intentional infliction of emotional distress, depending on the circumstances. The strength of your case. Even with evidence, a lawyer can assess the likelihood of success given the time elapsed. How to gather further evidence. They may suggest ways to reconstruct evidence or find new witnesses. 3. Consider civil versus criminal charges. Civil lawsuit. This is the most likely route after 2 years. You would sue your brother for the financial damages caused by the destruction of your property. The goal is typically to recover monetary compensation. Criminal charges. It's less likely that criminal charges would be filed after such a delay, unless there is significant new evidence. The police and prosecutor's office would make this decision, not you. However, the police report you filed 2 years ago is still important. 4. Mediation again, if appropriate. Even after 2 years, if you have any form of relationship with your brother, mediation might be an option to attempt to resolve the matter outside of court. A mediator could help facilitate a discussion and potential settlement. 5. Be prepared for challenges. 2 years is a significant amount of time. Memories fade, evidence can be lost, and witnesses may be harder to locate. The defense might argue that the damage was not intentional, that you waited too long to take action, or other defenses. Your lawyer can advise you on how to address these potential challenges. Key considerations. Statute of limitations. This is the most critical factor. You must act quickly to determine the applicable statute of limitations in your jurisdiction. Evidence. The strength of your case will depend heavily on the available evidence. Cost. Legal action can be expensive. Discuss the potential costs and fees with your lawyer. Emotional impact. This process can be emotionally taxing. Be prepared for that and seek support if needed. Do not delay. Contact a lawyer specializing in property law immediately to discuss your options. The statute of limitations could bar you from taking any action if you wait much longer.